So welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my bedroom slide on my camper. I want to put an awning on top of it. So I measured the slide. It measures 7 foot 2 inches. So I went online on Amazon, and that's the fabric size I want. So the closest one I could get is 7 foot 1 inch, which is okay. The molding on the outside on this camper is very, very wide. So 7 foot 1 inch is perfect. This is the awning I bought right here. I put my level on top of the awning here, and it's perfectly level. So I'm going to put my awning rail. I also bought this beautiful seal tape, 30 foot, 3/4 of an inch. They say to install the awning rail first, so I'm going to put a piece of brutal seal tape on this. As you can see, it sits perfectly right in the rail right there. This is the slide topper access plate there. I put one row of butyl tape to cover one hole, so I'm putting another one right beside it so it covers the other hole. So this access plate will slide either on this top part here like this or the bottom. I'm going to put mine here because I got a window and this interferes with the window on the slide. So I'm going to put my Allen bolts right in the bottom row right here so it goes against this, it doesn't move. 2 sets, they call these set screws. So I'm going to just tighten them down here all the way until they're almost flush on the bottom here. Mount this drip rail, they say it's going to be between 3 to 6 inches above this T-molding here. So this drip rail here is 3 inches. So right above that is roughly 4 1/4. So I'm going to install it just above this drip rail. I'm going to leave this in. So hopefully it doesn't interfere with it. If it does, I'll take it off. So my rail is the same length as this drip rail right here. So this drip rail is not centered to the slide. So I'm going to have to measure here, roughly 1 3/4 here. And I'll measure 1 3/4 on this side. That's perfect right there. Now I'm going to remove my tape and stick it on there. Move my tape all the way. Or I slap her down. I'm going to put my level on it right here. It's perfectly level all the way across. Yes. Of course, the kit supplies with these screws right here. I'm just going to go across, put them all in here. They're self-tapping. And I'm going to jam it in there and strip the side of the siding. And then the bolt won't do anything. Alright, that part's done. So I'm going to put my tape off here. And they say to leave about 1/8 here and 1/8 there. You can put the level on it if you want. Alright, I'm going to slide my plate in here. Now you put these rails here, right in here. So I would just bolt here, stick it in there. Nice and tight. I'll do the other side. I'm going to slide the awning fabric in this rail right here, but first I'm going to open up the rail here, make it easier. I'm just going to open her up a little bit, like that. Make sure there's no burrs in there, and it looks good. Some silicone sealant here. I'm spraying the rail here. So I removed the drip rail here because it was going to be in the way. I put the screws back in and I'm going to put silicone on top later. So I'm going to take these off here and take one roll out. This here. Back a little bit. Slide her in. All the way. Slide this out. I'm going to tighten these set screws in. So I got these in the top rail, so the set screws got to be on the bottom. If you got these in the bottom rails, you got to put the set screws on top. I'm going to set up the slide here. I'm going to measure here. Go that way. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to those extension rods there. I'm going to put these self-tapping screws in here to hold them in. It takes an 8mm socket. I'll put 2 for now. I'm sure I don't have to move it a little bit. We'll remove this clip right here. We're going to pop it up here. And then turn it this way. I'll extend the slide out a few times, and then I'll center up the fabric and secure it. There, it looks pretty good there. Now it's set up, I'm going to put the other bolt in. Okay, this is nice and tight, so I'm going to slide in these covers here. Oh, I don't hurt, but silicone spray won't hurt. Here. One more thing left here. There's a little tiny bolt here, 1/2 inch. I'm gonna have to screw it in the polycord rear straight down so this part of the slide don't slide back and forth. So self-tapping. It's a 1/4 inch socket. So you put the bolts right through there to the polycord, not into the camper. Yeah, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.